Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Chiliz. What's the prices goes in the Chiliz, what's the currently condition occurs in Chiliz, and what's the next move of Chiliz. In this video we are trying to detect the next move of Chiliz coin. So friends, keep watching this video till the end, and kindly if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, if we talk about the current price of Chiliz coin, so the current price is about 0.4689 USD dollar, and the change occur in the Chiliz coin. Last 1 hour change is positive, the last 1 day change is also positive, the last 1 week change is negative friends. So now let's see the price prediction chart to analyze the next move of the Chiliz coin friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price prediction chart. Absolutely a good change occur in the Chiliz coin. As you can see here, a lot of take a jump. The change occur is about positive 10.74% positive change occur in the Chiliz coin, and the last 1 day friends, the highest price of the Chiliz in the last 1 day as about 0.469181 USD dollar is the highest price of Chiliz coin and the last 1 day friends. If we talk about the current price, at this time price of the Chiliz coin is about 0.4689 USD dollar is the currently price of the Chiliz coin friends. So now what's the next move occur in the Chiliz coin in the future? Let's draw a technical analysis. As you can see here, let's suppose that is our support line and that is our resistance line friends. So as you can see here, now they continue stable between these two line friends. So I think now they broken the at this point, look at this point, I think they break this time the resistance level. So that's mean that a big jump coming soon and a Chiliz coin friends. When the resistance or support line broken, that means a big jump or big dump coming soon friends. So now the jets break on the resistance line, so that's mean that the big jump coming soon and a Chiliz coin friends. So be ready for a big jump and enjoy it, and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.